What's good, guys? Today is Tuesday and I've taken the first trade of the week. This trade I could not record earlier because I was having difficulty recording with my phone. You can see the trade here on the Meta 5. The trade is already in break even. I've adjusted my stop loss to break even. At the moment, you guys know 1:1 I break even. At the moment, I'm floating about $7 in profit. My target for this trade is $10. Let's see if we can hit $30 for this week. You guys remember last week I closed break even on this challenge. Let's see how this trade is going to be. This is a nice start for the week. I pray it hits TP. You can see TP is just few pips from the current price. Let's see how this is going to be. My laptop is about to shut down. Man, this is a nice trade. I'm going to update you guys when this trade hit TP or if it comes back to my break even. This trade is over 1:2. Update you guys later. So guys, at the moment you can see price was close to my break even, which is a stop loss that was adjusted to my entry, and now it's heading in my direction. Can you imagine the emotions I was feeling when price was close to my break even? But one thing about me is this: I've gotten to the point in trading I don't let my emotions make me take decision. I take decision based on my rule and based on my trading plan. I'm a disciplined trader at this point. I'm not like before initially when I started trading, when I was indisciplined. But right now, I have the ability to stay disciplined to my trading plan. I think that's the major reason I'm profitable. Check my previous video. I've been doing the same thing. 3 trades for the week, break even after 1:1, and I'm sticking to that same rule. I'm going to update you guys about this trade. Look at my TP. My TP is still set here. I'm going to make $10 if price comes to my TP. Why? If price comes back to my entry, I'm not going to make anything from this trade. Update you guys later. So guys, for this trade, price stopped me out at break even. It looks like it's reversing to the opposite direction, which is my main direction. You can see the trade here from the history. Price stopped me out and I made 24 cents today. Remember I told you guys from last week, this is a cent account. For those people newly watching, this is a cent account. This is a $20 cent account. So don't think this is $2,000. This is a cent account. And for this equity that is showing here, FBS gave me a 100% bonus. I'm trading with FBS. If you want to trade with FBS, the link is in the description to trade with the same broker I'm using. I'm done for today. Catch you guys tomorrow. You know one thing about trading, days like this might piss you off a little, but it's part of the process. Break-even day is part of winning. Anyway, next year I'm thinking of updating my trading plan to a trade management in which I can close partials after 1:1, then hold the rest to 1:2. I'm going to do that if only my win rate maintain its current state. Right now, I think for the last 10 trades, my win rate sits around 70%. So if I have a 70% win rate strategy, going for a 1:1, break even, close partials, and hold the rest is going to make me profitable. Then I can do that. Anyway, I'm going to catch you guys tomorrow. For today, I'm done. Break even day. Lost nothing, made nothing from the market. What's good, guys? Today is Friday and I want to update you guys about this whole week. Yesterday was Thursday. I didn't even show up to the chart. I didn't place any trade yesterday. For this week, I've taken 2 trades. The one you guys saw me documented on Monday and the one on Wednesday. On Wednesday, I was having issue recording with my phone, so I was not able to record the whole trading section for Wednesday. And today is Friday. I'm not going to be trading today because the market looks choppy. Nasdaq is around its all-time high. Gold is around its all-time high. The market condition for this week is not cool. Like, the market be tripping this week. I don't really get the market this week. Let me show you guys the trade on Wednesday. This is the trade for Wednesday. Remember I told you guys this is a cent account, so it's going to be looking like it's a dollar account. And if you check the P&L since I started this challenge, I've lost about $5 overall, and you can see the current balance. I'm down $5 on this $20 to $1,000 challenge. You can see the first trade I took, I made $8, lost the second trade, lost the third one, the fourth one break even, the last one a loss. So my last 5 trades I've taken on this challenge, which is basically my last 5 trades I've taken on the market, I've won 1, lost 3, and break even 1. And I can tell you, this 5 trade, which is the last 2 weeks, it has been a rough one. The market have not been the way it has been the previous week from this one. Like, honestly speaking, I'm going to tell you that. And I feel like my style of trading does not match this type of challenge I'm undergoing. or this challenge I'm practically trying to attempt. Because bro, if I keep on doing this, it's gonna take me it's gonna take me long to meet my target of $1,000. Like, come to think of it, let me be realistic. I made a short video about this. I think it was related to this challenge and everything. Bro, you can see this. If I want to try that online way of flipping, let's say this first trade I would have risked everything, then maybe I would have been up about $100 or $200 just from this first win. Maybe I'll just full pot the whole account, risk aggressively without calculating my risks or doing all the stuff. I can tell you, if I keep doing that, I'm going to build a bad habit about trading, or bad mentality, or let me call it, I'm going to have basically a bad approach towards trading, which doesn't make sense and which is not reliable in the long run, and that's going to affect my productivity and my profitability as a trader. So I feel like acting in this particular manner, calculating my risks, having a target, having a plan where I need to put on a position, where I need to exit a position, I feel like that's a healthy way of trading, and that is what I'm basically doing here. You can see my risks, they are kind of consistent. I lost 5 here, lost 4 here, lost 4 here, made 8 here. My wins is bigger than all my losses. Like, not all of them in particular, but each loss I take in a given day, one win is going to cover up a particular loss I take in a day. So I'm trying to make more when I'm right than when I'm wrong. I feel like that's the best way, or a nice way of trading, or trading approach. Today I'm not seeing anything on the market. The market is so choppy, both good and NAS. So I'm basically done for this week. Next week, let me see what I'm gonna do. I don't know if I should try that online pattern of aggressively flipping my account, but if I tried that, I can tell you this account would have been gone. If I'm doing that, I don't think this account would have still be existing yet. I think maybe I would have blown it by now, but I'm just using my style, what works for me. And this, even when I was trading Profirm, this is the same approach I use. It has been working for me, so I'm going to use it. I'm not going to try to do what is not working for me, or copy what people are doing online, because most people online, they are trading demo. They are not trading their real money, their hard-earned money. They are not doing that. I'm basically done for this week, and I hope to catch you guys next week. If you haven't yet subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to hit the like button and also subscribe to this channel. I document my trading journey here, like full transparency. You're going to see it on this channel, because bro, I'm trading. I'm going to tell you how it is for me. I'm not that type of person that's going to lie to you and be like, this is it, this is it. Bro, I'm going to say how it is for me. I feel like people need to be like this too, but in the world we are, everybody can't be the same. We are all unique, so you have to choose your own uniqueness and be who you want to be. People might criticize you. People might say, why are you doing this? Why are you doing that? But just keep doing what you're doing. If you think it's right at the back of your mind, that's it, guys. I catch you guys next week. I'm down $5 for this challenge. Let's see if I can recover next week, or if I eventually blow this account. If I blow the account, I'm not going to be sad about it. It's just 5 tries, like 5 losses in a row, the account is gone. So that's not bad for me. From my journal, I used to experience that type of thing, but they rarely happen though. I used to experience a period where I'll just go 5 losses in a row, and when I start winning, it's going to cover up the losses back, and I'm still going to be up profitable for that month or for that week sometimes. Like, that's profitability. Profitability is not winning. And most people use this idea to buy you guys and deceive you that profitability is all about winning, instead of following a process or a system that's going to help you stay long in the game and also guarantee profits, even if it's small. Making 1% in the month is not bad. Like, people just need to approach trading with the right mentality and the right mindset. Hope to catch you guys next week. Enjoy your weekend.